honest, this shit's kinda ass. This shit kinda suck. This shit's kinda ass, actually. Don't buy this. It's kinda suck, actually. Make real mac and cheese. Don't be like me.